Introducing the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro 5G, the ultimate rugged phone built for extreme conditions. With a massive 10,600 mAh battery and 30-watt wireless charging, this beast ensures long-lasting power. Capture stunning shots with its 50-megapixel rear and 64-megapixel night camera, while the 32-megapixel front camera keeps selfies sharp. Experience smooth performance on the 6.78-inch full-view display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by Android 14 and a robust MTK processor. It's MIL-STD-810H certified, IP68/IP69K water and dust resistant, and packed with features like NFC, GPS, dual SIM, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Enjoy fast 5G connectivity, fingerprint and face recognition, and 2K video recording. The Ulefone Armor 27T Pro, tough, powerful, and ready for adventure.